Alrighty, for this assignment, you're going to format this document so that it looks like this at the end. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I have instructions, and I'll also have this video as an instruction. So basically the first thing we have to do is going to go to page layout, and we're going to go to margins, and we're going to go to moderate. So notice that changes the left and right margin around. So let's change that back to how it's supposed to be. The next instruction reads to change the title to 28. A couple ways to do this. You could type in 28 here, or you can do this, whatever you like. And it asks to change the subheadings to 14. And they are now at 14. Then it asks to center. You can hit the center button. You could also hit Control E. That also centers. That's what I always do when I center, just Control E. Doesn't really matter. After that, it asks to bold the heading and the subheading. So let's bold that, bold that, bold that. I'm hitting Control B, and you could do that, of course, which is the way that you'll probably do. Most people don't use keyboard shortcuts, even though you should. The next part of this, all this stuff has been very easy so far. You are going to use this tool right here, which is called the Borders tab, just to create lines underneath. So it's very simple. Let's just highlight that. We're going to click that, and it makes a line there. Double click there. We're going to make a line there. Highlight that. Make a line there. Highlight that. Make a line there. It's very simple. After that, flipping the page over, we're going to go to the page layout tab right here, and we're just going to create more space. I'll show you how to do this. It's going to change this to 30. So notice that bumps it down. You could hit enter as well. Let's see what happens when you hit enter. Kind of the same thing. So we're going to hit 30. We're going to go here, hit 30 again. We're going to go here and hit 30 again. And that is that section. Next, number 7, double click at the very top of the bottom to get to your header. So we're going to click here. We're going to type in your name. My name is Mr. McLean. After that, we're going to click date and time, and let's just choose this. It's the end of June when I'm doing this. Unfortunately, it'll be September and you'll be back in school. You'll be very grouchy. Hit OK, and just tab, hit your tab key and tab over with that. After that, I ask you to put your page number in, and we're going to put it at the bottom, and we're going to put it in the middle. So page 1, if you go to a second page, if you go to a second page, you'll notice that page 2 is there. So that page will continue all the way through. And I do believe that is this entire assignment. So let's see how we did. Let's go to the one we just did. And let's go to the key. It looks basically the same, except these aren't bolded. I forgot to do that in the key. But I will change it for yours. Alright, that's the end of this video.